Jay, Golden State, a lot of success in this building, but what can it be like for the road team?
Well, for the road team, I think this is a chance to go into the teeth of the Lions' den and really snatch the heart from your opponents. I like this for KD and Draymond Green. Seems like this team has built up more animosity and plays with more passion when they're on the road.
Jay, you know Steve Kerr wants to see his team play better at home, make sure they get home court advantage.
They slacked off last year. They were 29-12 at home. Now, that's a pretty amazing record at home, but let me tell you why they slacked off. The 3 years prior to that combined, they were 114-9. I think we're going to see that Golden State Warrior team from those years instead of the one from last year.
To Green. Curry. Deep two there, won't go. Thompson to bring it into the front court. Leads up bucket. And the Warriors have the rebound. And he's going to the free throw line.
That's actually not a bad move at all. You're applying more pressure on him by sending him to the line.
Willie Cauley-Stein. He's got 2 shots coming. Career mark of 64%. First try at the line, no good. And he's able to hit the second after missing that first one. Thompson to bring it into the front court. They're down 3. Knocked loose. Russell with it up top. A minute gone by here in the opening quarter. And the rebound comes down to Curry. Warriors come up with it.
Now push it. Let's attack in transition so we can build this lead.
And splash. Klay Thompson, quick catch and shoot there for 3.
Ooh, that confidence level is so superior. Whenever you start jogging back on defense before the ball even goes through the net, that speaks for itself.
Curry. And it's rebounded by Green. Russell into the front court. Now down 6. For 3, working hard on the glass. Yes, and a foul. He'll have a chance at a 3-point play.
And if you have the ball in your hands on offense and you're that open and you see the defense sprinting at you, directly at you, not taking an angle to try to block your shot to not hit you, brace yourself for contact, focus on making the basket, and one every time.
Curry. Good offense, beating good defense. He has an uncanny approach to the game.
And did you see that? His eyes are his deadliest weapon. When he steps over half court, when he looks at the rim, that naturally throws the defender off. It makes the defender lean just a little bit. And just that millisecond of you wondering what he's going to do, splash is enough for him to exploit.
Steph Curry, here against Steph. To Russell. Knocked loose. Curry buries it on the catch and shoot.
That's good chemistry right there. But more importantly, that's great trust. Trusting in your teammate to knock down that shot says everything about the confidence level of your team.
His first effort off the mark. Warriors have it. 2-point shot for Curry. Steph Curry. He's 3 of 5. 60% shooting from the field. Curry. Crazy shot that time. No good.
And there's always so much talk about defense. How about offensively? If you continue to attack that shooter, now you're making him work on the defensive end. That makes him take his legs away on the offensive end.
Good luck making excuses. Klay Thompson wide open. He's not going to miss that one.
It's all about creating space with the dribble. Once you have that gap, you can beat somebody in a variety of ways. He chose the dagger with the 3.
Here's Curry with it up top. Trailing by 11. To Green. Warriors come away with it. Green hits the trifecta.
This is a game of ways. As a defense, you have to recognize that they come and they go. That will not be the case all the time moving forward.
Green, unconventional to say the least. It's no good. Passed it off. Curry, count it. 3-pointer is good. His instincts are unnatural. makes him so good given the work he's put in?
The special thing about Stephen Curry is that his entire life he has practiced great habits. A lot of players practice and get up shots, but they don't practice the right habits, and that comes with the lineage. His father, Dale Curry, making sure that he puts in the time and effort, but the proper skill with the time and effort.
Lets it fly from long range. Livingston can't get that one to go. Defense was all over him. D'Angelo Russell. Wide open look, won't go.
The defense has to find a way to become mentally present in this ball game. Another open look, the offense is picking them apart.
Block up. Here you go.
Russell, too good to...
Look at their hands. Their hands are ready, providing a target. So when they catch that ball, they go right into their shot. We call that being shot ready.
Out of bounds. Last touch by Alec Burks. It stays with Golden State. Curry.
Get back in there.
That's how you defend.
Watch out.
To Thompson. Exclamation point. Willie Cauley-Stein with the slam.
Ed, I bet you can't say his name 3 times fast.
That's William Cauley-Stein.
I said fast, Ed, fast.
Livingston to bring it up. His guys down big to Alec Burks. From long range. And that'll be rebounded by Curry.
Let's rock. I got ball.
Green.
Come on now.
Draymond Green. 2 for 2. That's what you want.
And depending upon the personnel, the transition three-point pull-up shot is no longer the anomaly. It's the norm.
Livingston defended by Steph Curry.
Hey, box out.
Yes, tough shot. It's got to go up to go in.
Finally something goes their way. I don't think I need to tell you, but this has been a disaster of the first quarter. They just need somebody to get hot, and then they need to come together as a team and get a few stops.
Well, this could be a sign of things to come. He's 3 of 4 from downtown to start the game.
And a dangerous thing for the defensive team, he has fresh legs. That was great lift on that jump shot.
We get a whistle and a timeout by Golden State as they'll go over some tactics now in this first quarter of play. Curry into the front court. Down a bundle. Thompson. Those shots, Jay, have been few and far between in what has been an uneasy first quarter.
And Ed, sometimes that's all you need. Just get 1 or 2 to fall. Find the rhythm, find the rhyme. You got plenty of time.
To Green. Here's a chance from long range. Can't get the bounce. Thompson. Those shots, Jay, have been few and far between in what has been an uneasy first quarter.
And Ed, sometimes that's all you need. Just get 1 or 2 to fall. Find the rhythm, find the rhyme. You got plenty of time.
Warriors come up with it.
Why not? Let's keep the crowd in it.
Curry. How's that for a start? 14 points in this first quarter as he knocks down the 3.
And look, I know this requires great conditioning on the defensive part, but you have to start denying him the ball. Make him catch the ball further away from the basket.
Curry. And drains it.
Everything looks great when you shoot the ball like this. And yes, Ed, this team does have some issues, but they are all masked and camouflaged with the shooting display we're watching.
Klay Thompson, defended by Thompson. Beyond the arc for 3. Had made his first couple, but he misses there. Couldn't keep it in. Out off Kevon Looney. Some lineup changes now for both clubs.
Subbing in for the Golden State Warriors, number 34, Sean Livingston.
Has a look. Cauley-Stein shot misses. Lets it fly from beyond the arc. Not that time.
I got it.
Knocked loose. Warriors have it. Curry. Not that time.
I got him. Here we go.
Fires the 3.
Let's go.
Oh, he couldn't get it to go.
Pick up.
Over to the right side. D'Angelo Russell. Well, this could be a sign of things to come. He's 3 of 4 from downtown to start the game.
And a dangerous thing for the defensive team, he has fresh legs. That was great lift on that jump shot.
Trying to cash in. A shot no good by Green. Knocked loose. Warriors come away with it. And Draymond Green throws it down.
Whew, I don't think anyone saw this one coming. But it looks like they're trying to send a message. Look into their eyes. They're laser focused. They're playing as if this game is tied.
Missed it. He always has the green light, but the defense was ready.
And that's how you make a difference. Every shot the offense takes, make sure that it has a 10 as far as degree of difficulty.
Converts in the paint. Nice finish at the rim.
When the ball's in his hands, we all knew what was going to happen.
And he buries it.
And if you don't contest, he's knocking that down with ease.
Get back. Watch Cutter.
Willie Cauley-Stein able to recover with the block. Warriors basketball. And he's fouled. A trip to the line coming up. Count it. And the foul. He's going to the line for a free throw.
The defender was actually in a good position there. They even made a decent play on the ball. But sometimes those bounces go the other way. Still, stay aggressive out there.
Free throw's good to cap off the three-point play as they draw a tiny bit closer. Goes 2 for 2 at the line.
I'm here. I got ball.
Fires the three, and it's Burks with the rebound.
My ball.
Knocked loose.
Let it go.
The hustle keeps the ball in play. 4-3. Can't go down. Smothering defense.
And look, sometimes you don't have it going every single night. Maybe utilize yourself as a decoy and get some teammates involved with your passing.
The assist from number 23.
I got it. Go. Go.
Shot from the lane won't go.
That boy got jumper.
So we played one here at Oracle with the Warriors on top. Jay and I back to Ed Cohen, Jay Williams with you as we get things started here in the second quarter. Livingston across the timeline. His guys hold a commanding lead.
Make that, baby.
Has a chance off the assist.
No doubt about where that one was headed.
Going to launch beyond the arc. Missed it. For three. And the rebound belongs to Golden State. To Alec Burks. Knocked loose. Warriors come up with it.
Come on, let's dig in. Let's really build this lead.
Where's the chatter? No one was even close to him.
And Ed, the reason they made that shot, nobody, while they were backpedaling on defense, pointed out to where players were on the court. When there's a lack of communication and lack of direction, that leads to miscues on the defensive end.
Russell had made his first three, but that shot off the mark. Thompson to bring it into the front court. His guys holding the big lead. Yes, Klay Thompson. Terrific shooting. He's 4 for 5.
Well, they're shooting the ball at an amazing clip. And when they shoot the ball this well, they're essentially unguardable. And Ed, let me tell you what that does for the team. It eventually opens up space to put the ball down on the ground and get to the rim. That's how critical the three-point shot is.
Golden State at the controls. Curry, he continues to light it up from downtown. 5 threes now in this first half.
Yeah, and what's shocking, Ed, is that he's gotten so many open looks. Look, stay down in the stance, stay disciplined, stop losing him, stay attached to his hip, and force him to put the ball on the ground off those curls and finish over your bigs.
Lets it fly from long range. He buries it.
And in today's game, you have to make shots like that. Nice work draining it from deep.
Warriors have it.
I got ball.
Oh, give me that.
Hey, switch. I got him.
And the finish at the rim.
Standing there watching that.
2 points. Take them any way you can get them.
D up, baby.
I got
Curry.
ball. This is all me.
Wow, 7 threes in this first half alone. This could be an all-time performance.
And the record is only 13. He's better than halfway there. But as a shooter, you have to remain lost in the battle. And you're only as good as your last shot. Don't beat that record. Destroy it.
Curry Creates the space to bury the three on the step back.
Well, that change is inevitable. And one of the things that continues to fascinate me about this game, usually when you see a good three-point shooting team, their shoulders are square to the basket. That's no longer the case in today's game. These guys are off balance, they're moving different ways, yet they still have extreme shot-making ability.
To Curry. He's not shy about shooting it from out there, but he misses this time. Couldn't keep it in. Out off Willie Cauley-Stein. The opposing coach is going to counter, make some changes of his own.
Number 11, Klay Thompson.
From long range, and Steph, he can make that shot with his eyes closed. Wide open, knocks down the three.
I know he's a volume shooter. I know defensively at times you have to take your lumps. Might be time to adjust the scouting report, though. Start denying him the ball.
If you would like to participate in an upcoming event, you can register at our team website.
Warriors have the basketball. Steph Curry matched up with the two-time MVP. Gets it to go. Someone clearly missed their rotation.
You see, you can't actually get mesmerized by the ball. You actually have to focus on the dribbler's belly button. I know that may sound cheesy, but trust me, he can't go anywhere without his core.
Curry. Yes! Three-pointer is good.
Ed, let me tell you how this one goes. It ain't no fun if the homies can't have some. Everyone's getting a piece of the rock tonight.
Curry drains it.
Just let me break down to all the young players at home how special of a pass this was. That was a perfect delivery, and it hit the player right in the chest.
Thompson. Yes, Klay Thompson. He's now 5 for 6.
Just a little defensive breakdown right there, and an open Klay means 2 points every time.
That's going to get out of bounds. Last touch by Green. Looks like some substitutions are coming on in. Curry and knocks it down.
Hey, you gotta guard your men.
To Curry. Here's a chance from long range. Oh, knocks it down from 3.
I don't know how he saw his man out in the cut like that. But that was nice.
I got him. Here we go.
D'Angelo Russell. He continues to shoot it well from beyond the arc. That's 4 threes now in this first half.
Yeah, and confidence comes from discipline and training. You can tell that kid's been putting in the time in the gym.
And Steph Curry dials in from 3. Knocked loose. Warriors come away with it.
Keep your foot on the gas, but don't get too reckless.
Defense forces the turnover, and it leads to points.
And like we've seen so many times, this is what you have to worry about with the Warriors. When they get on a run like this, they can put the game to bed in a hurry.
Possession lies with Golden State. Russell. Can't fault the defense. D'Angelo Russell hits.
For average shooters, that's not a great shot. But for a great shooter, that's a good look.
Wild shot there. Predictably misses. Russell with it up top. Looking to make something happen.
Yep, I got ball.
Beyond the arc for 3. No good. That'll be out of bounds. Last touch by the Warriors. Changes coming from both sides right now.
Golden State, number 00,
Curry into the front court. He'll run the offense. Oh, he hits the 3.
Contested shot.
Lets it fly from beyond the arc. That is no good. Very curious shot selection right there.
And there's always so much talk about defense. How about offensively? If you continue to attack that shooter, now you're making him work on the defensive end. That makes him take his legs away on the offensive end.
Knocked loose. Warriors come up with it.
Take care of the ball.
Klay Thompson against the former
Hey,
Cougar.
man, we ain't gonna win like that, man.
Fires the 3. Good luck making excuses. Klay Thompson wide open. He's not going to miss that one.
I know the refs on the court all the time, but it doesn't mean they can see every play. Maybe defensively, grab his jersey, step on his toe, do something to kind of change up his pace.
Curry. Rare miss the way he's been shooting. Shot's no good. Stephen Curry with a look.
He working for us.
Doesn't get the bounce. Draymond Green here against Steph. Fires the three, and Draymond Green thrives in these spots. Hand in his face, he still knocks it down.
Look, that shot was going up regardless of what the defender was trying to do. That's called a heat check.
That's me.
Steph Curry, guarded by Klay Thompson. 4-3. Second effort. On the follow. Way to stay with it.
I'm not sure that wasn't an offensive foul, but take it when you can get it.
Curry, man, that was a tough shot.
Even though the coach initially may not like that shot, now he's clapping because that ball went in.
Warriors have the basketball. Going along, beyond the arc. And Green able to clear the rebound. To Russell. For three. That's off the side of the rim, no good. Green.
Watch the shot. Watch the shot.
And it's Carly Stein with the rebound. Knocked loose. Warriors have it.
You got to get up on that.
Doesn't have the touch. No good. Russell into the front court. His guys can hold for the final shot. The crossover gets inside and the slam dunk. This is becoming a runaway.
They're getting to the rim at will, probably because they're watching Matador defense. You probably want to get in the way of your defender if they keep trying to attack the rim.
Give me stance. He's coming. Give me stance.
D'Angelo Russell, too good to leave that wide open. D'Angelo Russell hits.
This is a game of ways. As a defense, you have to recognize that they come and they go. That will not be the case all the time moving forward.
Late heave to beat the buzzer. A very one-sided first half of basketball as we are at halftime. Let's get you to our NBA Live studios in Orlando and hand it over to Jalen Rose for our EA Sports Halftime Report. Jalen.
Thanks, Phil. Back to Ed and Jay to bring you the second half action.
Curry has it.
I got him. Let's go.
Lets it fly from long range. He just continues to knock him down from deep. That extends his NBA record for one game.
He's just shattering that thing. But he's a very smart player. Look for him next time. Maybe to give you a head fake, crack into you, get to the free throw line. This guy is a proven scorer.
Green. Deep two there. Won't go. Yes. And the foul. And a chance at three coming up.
And I know there's so much excitement about the play, but everybody looks to the player. More people need to pay attention to the guy at the end of the bench, the strength and conditioning coach, because this kid's been putting in the time and effort every day in the weight room.
Free throw good. And a drop in the bucket with the score right where it is. Curry. Off the iron. No good. From long range. Not sure what that was all about. It's no good.
Play some D.
Russell. Add another one to his total. That's now 7 threes for the ball game.
And the ball is finding him wherever he goes on the court. Man, that boy, he the best.
Knocked loose. Here's a chance from long range. D'Angelo Russell bothered just enough on that one.
Just because you're an elite shooter doesn't mean you need to shoot the ball every possession. Maybe give a head fake, crack into the defender, get to the free throw line, see the ball go in the hole.
Let's get out of here. Come on.
Beyond the arc for three. And Stephen Curry, the fastest release in the NBA, hits the three.
You know, from a point guard perspective, one of the things that I learned when I played in the league was that the more I was willing to give the ball up, the harder other players were willing to run to their spots. The harder the bigs were running to the rim. The harder the three-point shooters were running to the three-point line because they knew they could be active recipients. And when they caught the ball, they knew exactly what to do with it.
Curry, not sure what that was all about, but it's a three nonetheless.
I guess sometimes mistakes can be a good thing, but I probably wouldn't push your luck with that too many more times.
It's good.
Let's go, boy. Catch me out.
Stephen Curry, 3 points.
D'Angelo Russell. Smart shot right there. Shot's no good. To Green. Draymond Green. He's now 4 for 6.
This may sound cheesy, but sometimes you just need to sit back, get a tub of popcorn, and just enjoy the show, because that's what you're watching right now.
Basket's good on the follow. Way to stay with it.
Contact on a drive can be a beautiful thing. Making those tough shots can really help you build a mental advantage over your defender.
Box, box.
Lets it fly from beyond the arc. Crazy shot that time. No good. Couldn't keep it in. Out off Willie Cauley-Stein. Time for some new personnel into the game. Curry with the ball. Fires the three. Yes.
Good shot, baby.
Takes stock of the floor. Russell, defended by Thompson. Great looking vision. Lays it up and in.
Clay isn't usually a guy that goes to the bucket. He usually pulls up for threes, but that was a nice, easy lay-in right there.
Thompson. Unconventional to say the least. It's no good.
And big-time coaching strategy by the staff right there, utilizing their bench, keeping fresh legs on that shooter consistently throughout the course of the game.
To Russell. Green. Fires the three, buries it on the catch and shoot.
I mean, does he have eyes in the back of his head or what? I get paid money to watch and study this game daily. Even I didn't see that.
He working for us.
Warriors come away with it. Cauley-Stein against Klay Thompson.
Give me that.
Knocked
ISO,
loose.
ISO.
Yes, and a foul. He'll have a chance at a three-point play.
And so many players, when they come into the paint, they come in with that soft approach. He didn't come in soft at all. He came in with aggression, and he went through the defender. Through, not around. That's key.
Free throw's good as they continue to widen their lead. Knocked loose. Warriors come up with it. It's Steph for two. Defense forces the turnover, and it leads to points.
Ed, I have so much admiration for guys that continue to hunt their shot. They're playing the second half like it was the first 5 minutes of the ball game. Those natural-born leaders are guys that will consistently lead your team to the promised land.
Just enough of a head fake to help on that one.
Ah, the element of surprise on multiple fronts there. Well played.
Shot, box out.
Curry, wild shot there, predictably misses. Green had made his first couple, but he misses there.
Oh, get back, get back, get back.
To Curry. 4-3. Buries the three. He's too good to leave that open.
It's all about creating space with the dribble. Once you have that gap, you can beat somebody in a variety of ways. He chose a dagger with the three.
Good contest.
Going to launch beyond the arc. Misfires. It's no good. To Alec Burks. For three. Hand in his face. No good for Alec Burks. Lets it fly from long range. That is no good. Very curious shot selection right there. From long range. And he buries it. Jay, the system produces once again.
Not everybody possesses this power, but wow, what quarter wears.
Livingston to bring it up.
My fault,
Down a bundle.
Curry.
Curry. Too easy. Defense has to communicate.
But it was how he created the shot. As a defender, there's a tendency to stand up when you stare at the ball. Offensive player recognized that, continuously moved without the ball. Bang, that's how he set it up.
New blood coming in for both sides. Here's a chance from long range. It's no good. Shot's not going down.
Here we go. I got ball. I got ball. Shot up, shot up. Rebound, rebound, rebound.
Shot by Burks. No good. Warriors has a look. Draymond Green. He's now shooting 5 for 7.
It just seems like nobody can stop him but him. Once he's found his offensive swag, that boy's deadly.
My ball, my ball, my ball.
Beyond the arc for 3. And he hits.
Next time, put a hand up. Get down, get down, get down. Half court, here come, here come.
Curry
I got ball, I got ball.
buries the trifecta.
I hope everyone here knows the golden rule. Guys, remember, sharing is
Hey,
caring.
check up, let's go.
Klay Thompson, defended by Steph Curry.
Cookies.
Lets it fly from beyond the arc. Won't go down. Thompson to bring it into the front court. His guys down big.
Cutter, get a tag.
Knocks it down from mid-range.
Clearly not afraid of the spotlight here because that was not an easy look.
And Draymond Green all in one motion. Give it to him for 3.
Every hero needs a good sidekick. Nice find to set up the three.
That won't go. Yes, it drops. Little drama on that one.
And if you don't contest, he's knocking that down with ease.
Curry, second effort, swings it to Alec Burks. Fires the three. That's off the side of the rim, short. Knocked loose. Warriors come away with it.
Get it back, man. Get it back. Get it back.
I got him. I got ball.
Fires the three. That out of his range and no good.
Defense. Defense. Let's go.
That misses with 2 seconds to go. There's the buzzer. 3 quarters complete. The Warriors with a commanding lead. The Warriors with the basketball to begin the 4th quarter, and they have done no wrong to this point. They have this game well in control.
They took control early, and they never let up. The scary thing about this team, if they keep their foot on the gas and then throttle it down, they can win this game by 50.
Get back, get back, get back.
4-3. Livingston can't get that one to go. Defense was all over him.
Believe in yourself.
Curry, it's good. Defense has to pick things up.
I know he's a volume shooter. I know defensively at times you have to take your lumps. Might be time to adjust the scouting report, though. Start denying him the ball.
It's Golden State basketball.
Who gonna do this?
Jumper's good.
Did you see the way that dribble freed him up? It created so much space. I did, but the defenders didn't.
I got ball.
Steph Curry against Klay Thompson. Going to launch beyond the arc. Not sure what that was all about. It's no good. That'll be out of bounds. Last touch by the Warriors. Both coaches hitting the reset button. Fresh legs coming onto the floor. Steph lets loose. Open look, and he buries it. Defense has to wake up.
Sometimes when the players find that flow, nobody else needs to touch the ball. He's in the zone by himself.
Steph Curry here against Steph.
We get an next one. We get an next one.
Get back.
Can't connect from in close.
You see, Ed, this is where coaches get fired. It's great to have good offensive sets, but if you can't execute, then the play was a failure.
Shot by Burks, no good. Oh, that's out.
Out of here. It always looks cool, but guess what? You're still on D.
They're going to make some changes with some new personnel on the floor. Curry. He's not shy about shooting it from out there, but he misses this time. Curry with the basketball. His guys holding the big lead.
I got ball. My ball.
Thompson. Smothering D.
Shoot or shoot, period. I don't want to hear any excuses. That's why you're on the floor. You can't keep doing what you're doing with that superior confidence.
That's his second personal foul. Team foul number 1.
Kevon Looney at the line for 2 shots. 56% for his career. First free throw is good. Able to convert on both free throws. Thompson to bring it into the front court. His guys hold a commanding lead. He's been dialed in from long distance. That's now 5 threes for the game.
Nothing more painful than the next day watching tape, seeing the fact that he got 15 points off 3-point shots.
I'm open.
Shot right there. Shot's no good. Short jumper off the mark. Nice touch around the basket with the tip.
That's a strong finish. Regardless of contact, finishing strong is key.
Add 2 points to the board.
You know, it reminds me of a story a legendary coach once told me. He said, if you ever get in a fight, you're not going to hit somebody with an open hand, correct? You'll probably break a finger. But if you hit somebody with a fist, what is that? That's 5 fingers working collectively together as one. That's how you deliver a knockout punch. And that's what we're seeing tonight.
Count the bucket for 2.
I love the drive to the basket there. Instead of trying to go around or over, go through.
Thompson to bring it into the front court. Looking to make something happen. Well, the hot shooting night continues. That's his 6th three-pointer of this game.
And you got to give him a lot of love. He's been knocking down shot after shot. But what is the defense thinking? Do you want to play in this game? It's probably time you start buckling down.
Textbook defense.
And look, sometimes you don't have it going every single night. Maybe utilize yourself as a decoy and get some teammates involved with your passing.
Lazy pass there, and it's intercepted. Thompson. Oh, that's how it's done.
I love the pure confidence on that jumper. He takes that three despite the defender being right in front of his face. That's borderline disrespectful.
And Steph Curry with the rock. For three, and knocks it down. And, Jay, the system produces once again.
And in today's game, you have to make shots like that. Nice work draining it from deep.
Thompson. That right there, Jay, his 8th three of the game. He is putting on a show.
He's defying physics with that jumper. He's not even holding his foul through.
Dives for it. Not afraid to mix it up. Thompson to bring it into the front court. He'll run the offense. And Draymond Green throws it down.
I see the easy dunk, but what I don't see is energy. Scream, do something. Get yourself emotionally involved in the game.
And the rebound grabbed by the Warriors. Curry, crazy shot that time. No good. To Curry. Lets it fly from long range. Is good.
That shot was nice, but that pass, that was the real highlight. Good teams always find a way to get the best shot available.
And the rebound taken by Golden State. And a backcourt violation. Time to shuffle things up. Curry shakes free and hits.
This is a game of ways. As a defense, you have to recognize that they come and they go. That will not be the case all the time moving forward.
Warriors basketball. Russell defended by Steph Curry. Knocked loose.
Get back.
Russell knocks it down.
Come on, bro. At least contest the shot. Got him. Double.
And he hits.
Might have had an extra dribble or two there, but he got the shot he wanted.
Knocked loose. Warriors come up with it.
We'll take that.
Green
Hey, shut up.
had made his first three, but that shot off the mark. Curry,
I got ball. Shot going up.
good for three.
Cha-ching. Come on.
Warriors have it.
Stop.
Curry. That one off the mark. It's no good.
My ball.
Not loose. That'll be out of bounds. Last touch by the Warriors. It remains Warrior basketball. Substitution being made in this one.
Number 00, Willie Cauley-Stein.
From long range.
Yo.
Not that time. He misses. To Thompson. Here's a chance from long range. The hot night continues. He's hit 9 threes here tonight.
Uh-oh, someone's getting towards that single-game record territory. He's having that kind of night.
Beyond the arc for three. Can't connect. It's no good.
Let's rock. Get back. Swing back.
Thompson.
I got yours.
10 threes for him now in the game, Jay. Just astonishing.
And I can't believe what I'm seeing. It's only happened 30-something times since the three-point line went into effect in 1979. Goes to show you how big of a night he's having.
How old were you back then?
I was not born yet, my friend.
Boom, baby. Knocked loose. Warriors come away with it.
Day, man.
Thompson. And he knocks it down, Jay. Lets it fly from beyond the arc. He missed his first four from downtown. He finally gets a three to go.
I'm going to tell you what every shooter thinks after he misses 4 in a row. One has to go in the benches.
And Stephen Curry. We say it time and time again. Not much the defense could have done there.
For average shooters, that's not a great shot. But for a great shooter, that's a good look.
Look long.
to Russell. Fires the three. Can't fault the defense. D'Angelo Russell hits.
You see, a good catch-and-shoot play always starts with the eyes. A single look here, a single look there can throw off the defense entirely, opening up the entire perimeter for your teammates to do their thing. Great vision on that play.
Well defended, but Burks knocks it down.
Look, I'm not the one to hate. I'm the prime example of a bad decision that turned out well.
D'Angelo Russell. I don't know, Jay. They have a big lead. This game is just about over. You might not make many friends on the other side with that three.
Oh, I don't want to hear that generic coaching speak about dwindle down the shot clock, use the clock is your friend. No, if you have a chance to beat him by 50, beat him by 50. If you want to beat him by 100, keep shooting more threes.
It's good. And one.
He should get some kind of acting award. That's a great sell by the offensive player. But guess what? The refs bit, and that's the game.
Missed the foul shot. Thompson getting dirty. Loose ball on the deck. Ball's tied up. We'll get a jump ball. After the tie-up, let's see who can retain it. Curry buries it on the catch and shoot.
It's easy to get lost in the chaos of the game down the stretch. But great awareness by the shooter to get those toes right behind the three-point line.
Out of bounds. Last touch by Alec Burks.
I got him.
Curry. Well defended.
Great contest by the D, but I want to see the coaching staff call the same exact play the next possession. Get that offensive player the ball. Let him prove that it wasn't the D. It was more in his own head.
D'Angelo Russell, hand in his face. No issues there.
As a defender, you should take it personally when a contested three goes in. That's good defense, but it's not good enough.
Thompson.
And
it's good.
Don't touch it.
Fires the three. Off the mark. No good to Green. Oh, nice find for the basket.
As my mother would say to the defender, A for effort, F for results.
Curry. And he knocks it down. Burks here against Steph. For three. Had made his first couple, but he misses there.
And there's always so much talk about defense. How about offensively? If you continue to attack that shooter, now you're making him work on the defensive end. That makes him take his legs away on the offensive end.
Golden State at the controls.
I like this double team right now. Double.
Knock loose. Warriors come up with it.
Turn the ball over, man. Come on, man.
Give him 2 points. High percentage. A shot at the buzzer. Shot at the buzzer does indeed go down, but it only affects the final score. This ball game is over.
See y'all next time. Jalen Rose signing out.